And in another twist, former Kenya Defense Forces Major Peter Mugure was sentenced to life imprisonment by the High Court following his conviction for the 2019 murders of his estranged wife and 2 children. Justice Martin Muya found Mugure guilty on all 3 counts of murder, concluding that the prosecution had proved its case beyond a reasonable doubt. The judge characterized the killings as deliberate, calculated, and meticulously planned.
Having delivered a verdict of guilt on all 3 counts, I respect that decision of the court, for it presently legally binds me in ways no one can possibly imagine. Nevertheless, and with tremendous respect to the court, in principle, I am unable to agree with the verdict. Consequently,
you have a right to appeal.
I know, Your Lordship.
Yes. I have taken into consideration the heavy words by the accused person, but however, he has not shown any iota of remorse. The offense of murder carries punishment of death. This was infanticide and femicide, and in bearing in mind the time the accused person has been in custody, I sentence him to life imprisonment.
People's Liberation Party